That's how it's built up. Probably, I'll keep the canvas already fallen over once and it's windy, so I expect it to go over again. But I'll continue on now and I'll speed up the video to this process. In this case, the hole of from the Golovka to the timber is very close to the pile and I can't get a triber on or a washer on, so it's a plain bolt. No big deal, but it's just something. Yeah. I use a drill just to give it a starter, and then I use this hammer drill with one of these things on, the adapters on. These are great. It's like a ratchet type thing. What do you call it? Everything's got locker in the socket on a adapter thing just goes into the drill. It's got a magnet in as well. Makes it really easy to bang them in. It's got a hammer inside, so it makes it really easy. Don't if you're doing this, whether you're having somebody build it for you or you're building it yourself, don't skimp on these bolts. They're quite expensive, but they're not going to break the bank. Make sure you get zinc plated ones. Don't get steel ones. Get zinc plated and zinc plated washers, shibers. I think you just screw bolts in English, but bluffery in English. And make sure you don't skimp on them. The important thing, otherwise they'll just underneath the house they will just rot and go rusty, and then eat into your wood. So really don't want that.